Trying to enroll in the Apple Developer Program and hitting a wall? We are unable to process your request. Unknown error occurred. No account for team. If any of these have ruined your day, don't worry. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the most common Apple Developer Account errors and exactly how to fix each one. Let's go. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Coding Expert. If you're an iOS developer, you know, sometimes the hardest part isn't the code. It's getting your Apple Developer Account to actually work. Enrollment errors, payments stuck, code signing failures. I've hit all of them. So today, a complete troubleshooting guide from enrollment to upload. Stick around to the end for the one fix that solves most enrollment errors. Error 1. We are unable to process your request. An unknown error occurred. Let's start with the most common one. You submit your enrollment details and get, "We are unable to process your request." An unknown error occurred. No explanation, nothing. The number one fix. Make sure the phone number on your Apple ID matches its region. India Apple ID? Use an Indian number. US Apple ID? Use a US number. A mismatch is the most common cause, and enrollment just silently fails. Still stuck? Check for unaccepted agreements. Verify your address matches your region. Turn off any VPN, and if it still fails, contact Apple Developer Support. Error 2. Your enrollment could not be completed at this time. Next, your enrollment in the Apple Developer Program could not be completed at this time. This one's a bit different. First, the basics. Make sure two-factor authentication is on, and that your payment method and shipping address are both fully filled in. If that doesn't work, align your Apple ID language and region. Switching to English US with a US region has cleared this for many developers. Still stuck? Two tricks that work. Enroll directly from your iPhone using the signed-in Apple ID, or create a fresh Apple ID just for enrollment. Error 3. Payment charged, but membership not active. This one causes real panic. You paid the $99, your bank confirms the charge, but your account still says purchase your membership or expired. First rule, don't pay twice. Apple's page says processing can take up to 48 hours, so wait that out first. But if you're past 48 hours and it's still stuck, sometimes with an unable to find a team with the given team ID error, don't repay. Grab your order number from the confirmation email and contact Apple Developer Support to apply it manually. Error 4. Your account cannot be created at this time. Some of you hit this at the very first step. Right after entering the phone verification code, you get, "Your account cannot be created at this time." This is usually a region, number, or rate limit issue. Wait a few hours before retrying. Too many rapid attempts can temporarily block you. Keep your phone number and region matching. Skip the VPN, and if it's a business account, remember you may need a separate number from your personal Apple ID. Error 5. Xcode. No account for team, no profile for team. Accounts active, you're building, and Xcode throws no account for team. Quick fixes, in order. First, add your developer account in Xcode right-pointing arrow settings, right-pointing arrow accounts. Then make sure the correct team is selected on your target. For the no profile version, right-click your team and choose Download Manual Profiles to pull fresh ones. And check your role. Code signing needs developer, admin, or app manager. A plain member can't sign apps. Error 6. Bundle ID mismatch. Last common one. The provisioning profile has an app ID that does not match your bundle identifier. It's exactly what it says. Your profile's app ID doesn't match your app's bundle ID. Make the bundle ID in Xcode identical to the one in your developer portal, character for character. Then select the right profile in your target settings. Even one wrong letter breaks it. And here's the tip I promised. Before you spend hours debugging, check these 4 things first. They solve most cases. 1. Phone number matches your Apple ID region. 2. No pending agreements. 3. Address matches your region. 4. VPN turned off. 9 times out of 10, that's the culprit. So there you go. The most common Apple Developer Account errors and how to fix them, from enrollment to code signing. Most come down to region mismatches, pending agreements, or Xcode not having your account and profile set up right. Save this video for the next time Xcode ruins your afternoon. And tell me in the comments, which error hit you the hardest? If this helped, drop a like and subscribe to Coding Expert for more iOS dev tips. See you in the next one. Happy coding!